Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 49 of Run Your Year 2021, where we post every day of this year until we get there. So it's 2021 miles or bust. It's also day 18 of our 22-day challenge for the flat stomach. So first of all, let me welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the channel. This channel is all about positivity, about moving the body, about inspiring people and inspiration. So hey, if you're here for the first time, welcome. If you followed me over from my Instagram channel, hey, welcome. Hopefully you'll get something out of it. And if you do, go ahead and hit that like button down below. So with that, today is, like I said, is day 18. We're doing static and dynamic, and we're doing planks. So we're doing a regular plank, and then for the dynamic, it's going to be the step out plank. So I'll post a card up top for those two that we did earlier. So the only difference is today we're doing 5 repetitions, 20 seconds apiece for each one. So a total of 10, and we're doing 3 sets. So with that, we'll get started. Let's see here. All right, let's make sure we got this where it needs to be here. All right, I think that'll work. Yes, okay. So with that, let's see. All right, we'll get started. So the first one we're gonna do is it's 20 seconds of just a normal plank, and we'll squeeze. And here we go, begin. All right, so again, it's squeeze, squeeze. So we're squeezing that transverse abdominis along with the pelvic floor, right? Squeeze them. Looking good. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Looking good. All right, there we go. That's one. All right, let's get the second one down. Yeah, I'll face the camera a little bit there. All right, looking good. Big squeeze, right? Big squeeze. I'm proud of you. We got a great run in today, that's for sure. So again, big shout out to all those that got it in today, that won today. That's what it's about. It's about winning every day, right? So good job. Okay, that's number 2. Here's number 3. Again, squeeze. Squeeze the pelvic floor, the transverse abdominis, and squeezing that is like trying to squeeze your belly button to your back, to your spine. That's what it's like. So keep squeezing. One more second. Okay, 3 down. Okay, here's number 4. Looking good. All right. We're missing our timer today. Krista, she's going to do hers a little later. She's got some errands to run, so I'm not mad at her for getting those errands done. All right, that's number 4, and here's number 5. All right, big squeeze, big squeeze. Breathe through it. That's the other thing, is breathe through the exercise. You don't want to hold your breath. You want to kind of breathe through it. That's what it's about, breathing through it. All right, that's number 5. Okay, now we're gonna do the step through. I'm trying to fix the mic, so yeah, so we don't get the banging, clapping sound, right? Let's not get that, so we'll take this off, and then we'll get started here. Okay, so we'll knock these out. Okay, this one is just stepping out, and you'll see how it goes. So we'll begin just like this, just like that. Squeeze. Squeeze them. There we go. Nice. Good job. Proud of you. 5 seconds left. All right. Here's number 2. Good job. Stay with it. Stay on it. All right, 2 down. Here's number 3. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Squeeze through it. Keep breathing. Awesome, awesome. All right, that's number 3. Here's number 4. All right. Breathe through it. 5 seconds. All right, last one. Here we go. Nice and strong. Staying strong. Looking good. Proud of you. Five seconds. Stay with me. All right. There we have it. All right, guys. Fam, proud of you. You got it in. You won. So that's 1 second, 1 set down. We got 2 more to go. So I'm gonna let you go for now, but you go ahead and get yours in. I know you won. And when you if you did, hit me with a hashtag RickRay1. Let me know what you did. Leave me a comment down below. And if it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us out a lot. Okay, with that, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Invest in yourself. Invest in your health. Talk to you.